Welcome to my channel. If you are new, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button to join the family. For the rest of you, thank you so much for sticking around. I made one of these videos last year and I thought, why not make another one this year? In today's video, I just want to show you what products I've been using. So I discovered this new black soap that my mom sent to me from Port Harcourt. I wouldn't say it's better than Dudu Osun that I've been using, but I have tried it for about 3 months now, and I think that the moisture I get from this soap is better than the moisture that I get from Dudu Osun soap. I used these products throughout last year and they worked beautifully for my hair. My hair stayed super moisturized throughout the year. So I'm going to be showing you how I made the shampoo, and this is going to be a giveaway video. I'd like to send a bottle of black soap shampoo to someone to try and let me know how it works on your own hair. Black soap has been my shampoo for the past 3 to 4 years. After washing my hair, I follow up with my Aussie products. I like to call it my Aussie moisturization goodness because at the end of the day, my hair feels clean, moisturized and shiny. So if you'd like to make this shampoo yourself, I will be showing you the process of how I made it, and you can go ahead and make it yourself. But if you would like to try out one of my bottles first, then enter the giveaway to receive one. If you'd like to buy the Aussie products, I'll put a link in the description box to some of the Aussie products. I use the Aussie conditioner, I use the Aussie deep conditioner, and I use the Aussie oil. And that's how I keep my hair moisturized. So if you'd like to purchase those as well, I'll put links in the description box so you can purchase that and also make your black soap. You can either use Dudu Osun soap or you can use this black soap. Either is fine. That video, I've shown you how I've made my black soap shampoo for the last 2-3 years. That's what I've been using to wash my hair and I absolutely love it. I haven't bought shampoo in 4 years because I've been using black soap. At first I used to use the black soap on its own, but now I mix it with oils and that's what keeps my hair moisturized after my wash. If you'd like to enter the giveaway, don't forget, leave a comment in the comment section saying I would like a bottle please. Also head on to my Instagram page, follow me on Instagram and leave a comment saying I would like a bottle please. And I will definitely be sending you a bottle in the mail. If you live in the UK, if you live in the UK, please. I probably will send a bottle to Nigeria as well. If you live in Nigeria, also enter. Obviously you'll get yours a lot later. You'll get yours and try yours a lot later. But if you live in the UK, you will receive it in the next week. Don't forget to spread love, spread positivity and live to inspire. I'll see you in my next video.